Right, so for this task, we're going to do the lookup and match function, okay, and it's quite straightforward. However, for this, we're going to need left and a right. Now, as you've seen from one of the exam papers, it does come up. So, the only way you're going to understand it is if you do it time and time again. Now, what I've come up with is a mapping task. So, this is Nerdy Norman. Right, now, Nerdy Norman likes to spend his week doing various things. So, what you're going to do is you're going to find out what Nerdy Norman likes to do. Sorry, I need to charge my phone up, just remembered. Right, so, what does Nerdy Norman like to do? Now, as you can see here, A5 is what Nerdy Norman likes to do. So it says Monday after work, Norman likes to relax and do what? So you're going to find out. Now, obviously, you can take a look at the coordinates yourself and see what he needs to do. But we need to practice our formula. Okay? And I don't want any cheating. I don't want any replication. You need to do it time and time again until you get it. Okay? Right. So, obviously, we're going to use a Vlookup. So, Vlookup. Open the brackets. Now, first of all, we need to find the left. Okay, so the left letter. So left, because these are not in separate cells. And obviously, in your exam, you can't split the cells. Okay, you can't change anything. So, click here, and we're looking at the first letter, because if you see here, it's the letters. We're doing a mapping task. So, close the brackets, then we highlight, whoops, oh dear, I forgot my comma, there we go. Right, highlight this here, so from the letters, we don't highlight, sorry my mouse is ultra sensitive, we don't highlight this top row, because we're not looking up the top row, we're looking up the first place to the left, and the first place to the left is A, okay? Right, now the next thing is generally in a VLOOKUP you would say where you want your result to come from, the column number. But we're not going to do that. We need to make it more efficient than that, okay? We don't know the column index number, okay? So this is when we include our match. Now, with the match, we're going to look up the number to the right, okay? Now, to the right is a value. So you need to tell Excel it's a value, okay? Then we say we're looking up the value on the right, okay? So the value on the right, we select the cell. Oops, open brackets. Apologies. Value on the right. Select it. There we go. And obviously on the right there's only one place, so you just say 1. Now we need to close 2 sets of brackets, okay? One for this cell, one for the fact it's a value. Now you can see it's telling you what to do. Where is the array? So we select the whole thing, whoops, and again I forgot to put my comma. So we select the whole thing, including the blank cell here. It's not going to refer to the blank cell, but it still needs to be there. Okay? Right, then, comma, and it should tell us what to do next. We want an exact match. Now, you need to close your brackets here. Close. So that closes one set, and then we need to close the second set. So now, when I press enter, hopefully this is going to go right. It does. He's watching the ships at El Moye. Okay? So that's how we do it. Now I want to see you do that for each of those tasks for every day of the week.